guys, if you kept up with our last episode, you've seen the big girl didn't do so well at the drags. She only did a best run of about 14.3 because of the coding issues we had. We've got the car on the dyno and we're gonna spend a bit more time tuning it up, getting it ready. As you can see over here, we did a max run after some tweaks. We did 395 horsepower and 863 Newton meters at the wheels, which is crazy. We're gonna be running about similar power as that tonight. Fingers crossed, I'm hoping for a high 12s. Try getting those 12s, that's my goal. But if we get a low 13, I'll be stoked as well. But yeah, let's run her up now, get G-Boss in here, start tuning it, and get her ready for about 2 hours time. All right, we finally got into the car after finishing up on the dyno. Somehow, every time we go to the drags, it's a race to get there. But this traffic is not helping us in any way. But yeah, we'll catch you guys when we're at the Motorplex, and yeah, we'll go from there. Let's go. Alright, we are done with scrutineering. I'm just about to line up now and we're about to do our first run. Come on, let's try getting the 13th for the first run. But yeah, fingers crossed guys, let's go. Track is horrible. What the f? Can't get traction whatsoever. Oh, that's scary, man.
Because I'm like, what colour is the sky right now? I look at my side window and it's brown. I look at my front window.
Absolutely missed gears, missed third, so I launched second, missed third, and then like missed getting into fourth as well. It's just like, I would have beat that Sylvia as well. Alright. Track is so slippery. I can't deal with it. Does not matter what gear I'm in, it just slips all gears. It almost feels like the track's wet, hey? I'm done. As you guys would have seen from our last drag day, we slipped every single gear. Could not get traction whatsoever. There's only one thing to do is get some new wheels for the rig. So we're probably about 1 minute away and we should be at a marketplace find. Found some 10-inch wheels, Mickey Thompson ET Street radials. So fingers crossed that they're good, and we get back to the shop and get drag racing for tomorrow.
Gonna run
double check, eh?
Yeah, fair enough. It wasn't for that car though, I bought them. Of like half-mile racing on the streets, but
no, so we just picked up the tyres from old mate, Marketplace Finds. We ended up paying $1,000 for them. I've no idea what brand they are. I know they're Mickey Thompson ET Street Radial tyres, but I don't know how much tread they have because I have no idea anything about slicks or radials or anything like that, so I bought them anyway. They're the cheapest one on the market, so should be right. Alright, got the wheels back into the workshop after picking up from the Bro on Facebook Marketplace. We got some Mickey Thompson ET Street Radial Pros. My friend Adam from Powerline Performance told me to get these wheels, these tyres, and then I pretty much got any rim I could that was for sale for cheap. They should be good. They're hell light, and being radials, they're not full slick, so you got a bit more drivability with these. Scratch that, we're going to bolt the wheels up because I want to see what they look like. Get rid of them. Alright, we're done throwing the wheels on. Let's go take it for a spin and see how she drives before we take it down to the drags and find out it drives like. Can't speed. I'm just staying under the speed limit. Pretty much we're going to be loading the Hilux onto the trailer and taking it down to the drags this time. Because we got slicks on the back and they're a lot bigger, a lot wider, I'm scared that this standard R152 or whatever it is going to blow up, and I don't want to be stuck an hour away from home with no car, trailer or anything. So we're just going to load her up onto the trailer and take it down. We're early today, so we're making good progress. First, I'm just going to clean this injector, making sure there's no oil leaks, so we're all good when we get down there. So let's go clean the oil off and then get onto the trailer. Let's go. I'm constantly having problems with this rear injector leaking all the time. It can be two different reasons, two different problems. One being the injector not being straight. Two being there's still too much crankcase ventilation. So the pistons, I guess, are leaking gas off into the engine, causing there to be excessive crankcase pressure. And that's one of the reasons why we added two breathers into two catch cans to try and get it breathing. So yeah, it could be two things. I'm going to try and tap the injector over to see if I can get it as straight as possible and see if that works. And if that doesn't work, I'm probably going to add another breather onto the rocker cover, and that should solve it. I would not recommend this. We're good. Alright, we got the new treads on. We're just about to load her up onto the trailer now. She definitely suits being on the trailer. Look at her. Alright, we got the Hilux onto the trailer. Check out those awesome radials. They are some big balloons. It is freaking raining, so fingers crossed. We are driving an hour down south, so fingers crossed it isn't raining down there and it's just up here. So we're gonna head now to Kwinana, which is about an hour away. So let's go, let's hit a 12. The rain's getting worse, dude. Oh no. We are driving, it is in 2 hours, so we race in 2 hours, and it is an hour away. Fingers crossed it clears up in 2 hours. I think I picked the worst car to drive here. My 76 manual, stop start traffic once again. The rain's holding off though, so I think we're in luck. Alright, we just got to the motorplex. Just ripping the car off now, and then we'll take it through scrutineering and see how they go. Hopefully everything goes well.
Chris Block, and check with Chris Block
That's so good! Oh, yeah. Oh, I got all the grip in the world. No, what is it?
You got a 12.65.
Yes! Yeah, dude, that's so good. Dude, it is gripping up so hard now. Not too bad, but we can definitely do better. I think it's my driving skills. I think we could have definitely got into the 11s. Still stoked. We're going to get it back onto the trailer and head home. And tomorrow I'll do a bit of a rundown of the whole car, how I think it performed. But all in all, she didn't rain and we got traction now, so we're all good. Let's go. Alright, we got the big girl back to G Turbo HQ. The car went awesome. We had an awesome night. We ended up doing a 12.4 down the quarter, which is smashed our last record for the highlight by 1.5 seconds. That's all to do with the slicks. We were just getting full slippage every single gear, even 5th gear we were slipping. So look, that could have been a tribute of the track being horrible or the tyres not being great, but having wider tyres, which these are a 275/60 on a 15-inch rim, so it means we got a lot more sidewall profile, which means we can get a lot more grip, plus the compound in the tyres a lot more grippier and stickier. So all in all, the car was awesome to drive. Gearboxes held it up, diffs held up, engines holding up, everything is good really. Next episode we're going to dive into some preventative modifications for the engine, but you got to make sure you stick around for that episode. But guys, thanks for watching. This is episode 8 for the Hilux drag build.